Hello students, those who are appearing ICSE 2021-22 batch. I have prepared the solution for the biology specimen paper. Here follows the video.
ICSE Semester 1 examination, biology specimen paper, maximum marks 40, time allowed 1 hour inclusive of reading time. All questions are compulsory. There are 3 sections. We will begin with section 1. Section 1 comprises of 3 questions of 5 marks each. Question 1A. A pair of corresponding chromosomes of same shape and size, but one from each parent, it is homologous chromosomes. The factor that does not affect the rate of transpiration, intensity of light does, velocity of wind does, carbon dioxide content does, oxygen does not affect the rate of transpiration. C. Movement of molecules of a substance from their high concentration to low concentration when they are in direct contact. First, diffusion. D. The complex molecule consisting of DNA strand and a core of histone is nucleosome. E. Solvent used to dissolve chlorophyll pigment while testing a leaf for starch is methylated spirit. Question 2. Complete the following statement by choosing the appropriate option for each blank. A. During meiosis, dash number of daughter cells are found. It is 4. Wooden doors swell up during the rainy season due to imbibition. C. Semi-permeable membrane present in plant cell is cell membrane. D. Guttation takes place through hydatodes. A plant with variegated leaves. Variegated leaves are not totally green in color. Answer is coleus. Question 3. Choose the correct answer for each of the 4 options given below. The pressure exerted by the cell content on the cell wall, it is the Turger pressure. B. The cell component visible only during cell division is chromosomes. Marine fish, when placed under tap water, burst because of endosmosis. The site of dark reaction of photosynthesis. So dark reaction takes place in stroma. Next, E. The alternative form of the gene occupying the same position on the homologous chromosomes is allele. We begin with section 2. Section 2 also comprises of 3 questions of 5 marks each. Question 4. Explain the following. Osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water from their higher concentration to their lower concentration through semi-permeable membrane. This is the definition. B. Photolysis. Photolysis is a splitting of water molecule into hydrogen ion and oxygen in presence of light in grana. C. Law of segregation. Law of segregation is when the 2 members of the factor separate during the formation of gametes. D. Guttation. Guttation is a loss of water in the form of droplets through the leaf margin. E. Active transport. What is active transport? It is the passage of ions from their lower concentration through a cell membrane using energy. Question number 5. Question number 5, we have to state the exact location of the following. First is the spindle fiber. Spindle fiber lie between the 2 centrioles. Root hair. Root hair is the extension of the epidermis. Stomata. Stomatas are found more on the lower surface of adult ventral leaf. Thylakoids. Thylakoids are present in the stroma of the chloroplast. Palisade parenchyma. They are found between the upper epidermis and the spongy parenchyma of dicot leaf. Question number 6. Question number 6. State the function of the following. First is stroma. Stroma is the site for dark reaction, which is also called as light-independent phase. Guard cells. Guard cells helps in the regulation of opening and closing of stomata. C. Xylem. The main function of xylem is the conduction of water and minerals from the roots to the other parts of the plant. chromosomes. Chromosomes are the carrier of heredity. Next is hydathodes. This is the third question on hydathodes. Health and guttation. Section 3 comprises of 2 questions, questions 7 and 8. They are the diagrammatic questions. You can see the first, question 7. Given below is a diagram representing a stage during mitotic cell division. Answer the question that follows. Identify the stage. This stage is prophase, as you can see the spindle fibers. B, label the part marks X. X is centromere. Name the stage that follows the one shown here. The stage followed after this is metaphase, where the chromosomes will get aligned on the equatorial plane. What is the diploid number of chromosomes shown in the diagram? You can see there are 4 chromosomes shown. Mention one important feature of the stage. One important feature is nuclear membrane disappears. Question number 8. Observe the diagram given below and answer the question. You can see this is a chloroplast. A is stroma. Let's label it here first. B is granum. And C is thylakoids. Identify the cell organelle. The cell organelle is chloroplast. B. Label the part marked A, B, and C. The part marked A is stroma, B is granum, and C is thylakoid. C. The unit of light absorbed by chlorophyll is photon. So with this, we come to the end of the paper. Thank you.